Over here.
This is no joke. I see him.
I still see him. Yeah, there he is.
Come on, right here. Put his tentacles on.
Where? Oh.
Poke him the other way. Poke him the other way.
No, don't look at me the other way.
Yeah, poke him down this way. He'll fall out.
Dude, give him a good job.
Yeah.
You gotta really jam it in.
Ow! Get out here.
Dude, the bees! Hold on.
Wait! Where's the lid? Where's the lid?
Oh, he's on my hand.
Hey, he's not even in there. Give me the lid. Give me the lid. Put it backwards.
Jam it in there. Jam it in there.
He's at the bottom. He's at the bottom.
Are you kidding me? No! Oh, yeah.
Take it.
Oh, yeah. Trophy.
Hey, let's take it outside so I can see it in the sun.
Yeah!
We are the king of the jungle! So they make sure they keep an eye on him. I want to hold
Take him down there.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta poke holes.
Take it outside. Take it outside.
Shoes go. Oh, yeah.
Something ate it. I don't know.
He's climbing up.
Here, let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Climbing up. Oh, yeah.
All right, let me see it from the bottom. Let me see it from the bottom. Let me see it from the bottom. Oh, yeah.
He's a monster.
We broke his leg, dude.
We're sorry.
We broke one of his legs.
We're sorry.
He's a fool.